Thank you for watching the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. Uh, I'm joined here by Anubis, of course, who is being very playful and who's biting and scratching me. I just wanted to present a little bit of analysis of the recent decision by the Supreme Court in the Bill Cosby or the McKee versus Bill Cosby case. I don't think people are understanding the real impact of the decision. First of all, I want to say that Justice Clarence Thomas, led the charge in the decision of the court, which was a unanimous decision. Now, the case simply involved the entire court deciding on siding with Dr. Cosby in the case of a defamation lawsuit whereby a woman claimed that him calling her a liar when she claimed that he had done this and that and the other to her constituted defamation, which is what she sued him for, right? So she said he did such and such and so. He called her a liar. The lower courts, she sued him for defamation, saying that, oh, you have defamed my good character. And the lower court said, no, he didn't. And the Supreme Court said, Dr. Cosby is completely correct, and you cannot sue for defamation, for libel, in a case where the guy defends himself by calling you a liar. It is a perfect defense, and it happens to be true. You're a liar. So I want to harp on the harp. It's snowing in Vegas. Harp. I want to harp on the fact that Justice Thomas led the charge in this case. Do you all know the history of Justice Thomas? Well, let me tell you about his reputation on the court. He's taken a back seat to everything from day one since he actually sat his butt on the seat on the bench in the Supreme Court. What could possibly, of course this is a rhetorical question, what could possibly motivate him to such a degree that he leads the charge in the decision in the Cosby case? Leads the charge. He turns into General Patton all of a sudden. What could possibly have happened? Well, of course, you all know what happened. And let me tell you who else is on the court. Justice Kavanaugh is now on the court. Let me sort of tell you my opinion of the impact that this tiny case will have on the prosecution in the Cosby cases, because he's got about about 20 different cases, right? And now he's got stuff all over the country where judges are actually letting people go to court against Cosby on stuff that is clearly proven to be false. Clearly proven to be false. And unfortunately, Hugh Hefner is not there to defend himself. Otherwise, some of the other cases would not come to trial at all. I would believe, because they could not withstand the power of Hugh Hefner to come to the court and say, no, that didn't happen, and you're lying, and we have records that you're lying. Because I may be Hugh Hefner, but I keep records. So Justice Thomas is sitting on the court. Justice Kavanaugh is now sitting on the court. With Justice Thomas leading the charge, I think it's a done deal for all of the other lawsuits that are going to be coming up on appeal in the Cosby case, and I believe he will be freed. This particular case did not free him, but it set the stage for the rest of them. I think the prosecution in the Cosby case is turning white as sheets on this one. They are peeing their pants because this decision sheds light on what type of court that they're going to be facing. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, yada yada yada. Donate, paypal.me/Shakaama to help me out. Thank you.